ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kajingalang ya penbet pot kabalalong hapadeng Menteri Rangba jang kejela Meghalaya Konrad Konggal Sangma baru Menteri Rangba kejela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma hakak artarik ubnai kelaling kod arajar arpuar kila shim ya karai ban salai Ïakynduh yo Menteri ketenat ki kampo yang ke Sarkar India Amit Shah ban pensngo Halor kajingya keren penbet pot hapadeng kejela Meghalaya bat kejela Assam naga benta ki hinreu tuli ki jaka ki badan hapadeng kajingya kajia pot. Usembut Menteri Rangba kejela Meghalaya uba Preston Tensong hakajingnya keren bat kilat pathai khubor hadin melawai kajingyelang hanong ba gahati uliatho hadin gani kajingnya kendo yo Amit Shah an sapen bena syakipai ba kejela Meghalaya bat kejela Assam ya garai bala shim digini ki artli ki sarkar jilla hagabayade bat kajing penbet yo pot usam.
Today again one more meeting we had a very detailed inclusive meeting between both the Honorable Chief Ministers, Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya. And I would like to inform you that more or less we almost completed to reach to the agreement in those areas whichever we already inspected. And now again both the Chief Ministers has directed the concerned government to bring out all the detailed report, and thereafter one more meeting will be there between the two chief ministers, and thereafter they will be meeting even the Honorable Union Home Minister, and hopefully maybe on the 20th or before 21st maybe they'll come back and then final agreement will be made public to both the state of Assam and Meghalaya. We had six areas or 6 sectors which we already started, and all these areas we discussed today. And as I said to you, very soon again both the chief ministers will sit down after getting all the detailed report from both the state government. They will sit down again, and thereafter they will take a final call. So let us see, let us wait, because right now we are yet to cross the bridge. But right now we are focusing on these 6 areas. So therefore, let us focus ourselves on these 6 areas, and thereafter again both the chief ministers will take a call which date or which month should we again take up those remaining 6 areas.
So sir, for this info up to today's meeting?
Yeah, very soon. That's what I've told you. In fact, we wish, if it is possible, because Meghalaya State, we are going to celebrate our 50th year on the 21st of January. Hopefully, maybe before that, both the chief ministers will take a final decision on this.